Next up, we're going to express our personal style with this cute foxy handbag. To make it, you're going to need a few supplies. You're going to want to have some nice extra thick craft felt, scissors, some pins, Velcro dots, buttons of different sizes, some clothespins, some white glue, a ruler, and a pencil. We're also going to have patterns for you, and you can print these off of our website and cut them out. So here they all are, and you'll notice there are two pieces that are for the orange ears and then two pieces for the white inner ear. So make sure you know which ones are the larger ones and which ones are the smaller ones. So you're going to go ahead and cut them out using your scissors and pin the two ears to the top of your felt like you see here. What I'm going to do is use my pencil and create a pencil line right in between. So this is going to be the part inside the fox's ears. And this is, by the way, a standard 9 by 12 piece of felt, so you don't have to worry about any other measuring or cutting, which is kind of great. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut around my pattern pieces like this. And since it's a nice straight line, you don't really need to mark it first and then cut it out. You can just go right to the good stuff like this. And then you can take these off, put the pins aside, and cut the part in the middle. Now, for your second piece of felt, you're going to go ahead and just measure about 1 inch down, maybe a little more, and add a little bead of glue like this to make kind of the inside flap. And this is where those clothespins really do come in handy, because you can clamp them down like this and let it dry, and it'll dry nice and flat. So next what we're gonna do is take our white inner ear pieces, which are gonna cut out like so, and glue them to the front. And here's again a little bit of white glue. You'll notice that the triangles are just a little bit smaller, like this. So they fit inside. You get that cute little orange space around it. And then on the back, you're gonna flip it over and glue on the center part, which also creates the clasp and the nose, which is cute, double duty. So just start in the middle and add some glue like this and press it down. Now you may want to add those pins back in just to hold it nicely and securely while it dries and you do the next portion. So I've got one over here, and you can see that I've layered the bottom part. Oop, let me bring this back because I'm going to show you how I round the edges. So once you get your two parts, your top and your bottom like this, you're going to line them up, and then you're going to use your plate to round the edges. And use your pencil, bring it to the corner, and just round the edge on this side, and then round the edge on that side. And then you can cut through 2 layers of felt at the same time, which is kind of great, so that you don't have to do double duty like this. Okay. All right, so now I'll move this aside and you can see where we are here. Now, what's a purse without a handle? So we're gonna make our own. We're gonna take some long strips of felt and you're gonna cut them maybe 2 inches wide. And then we're gonna use some white glue. Really comes in handy. If you notice, this is an absolutely no-sew project. There's no stitching at all, which is kind of great. You're gonna overlap just a little bit like this, making sure that this is nice and glued down, and then do the same thing, zigzag, 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 and then fold this over like so. Again, this is another place where those clothespins come in handy. So fold it and clip it until it's pretty dry. Okay, I am out of clothespins, so I'm gonna use a safety pin here, or a straight pin. All right, so the last bit is assembling. And what you're gonna do is take your dry, completed handle, glue it onto the back, like this. And again, another little pin or clothespin to help you out. And now That flap that we have, we're gonna make another bead of glue, go all the way around to glue your purse together, like this, boom. And then lastly, we're gonna bring that flap over to the front and it's gonna make the nose for your fox. So you can glue on 2 eyes on either side, 1 and 2. You can glue on a larger button on the back side. This will help stabilize your handle. And then on the front, glue on the pom-pom, like this. Then when it's all dry, you're gonna take your glue dot, press them together, peel off it's hook and loop tape, and then you're gonna stick it together, and because it's self-adhesive, you just tap it on and stick it down, and it creates the closure so that all of your treasures stay inside.